What is going on, guys? What is going on? Welcome back to my YouTube channel once again, and today is just another beautiful day in my life, and I'm here to be sharing with you guys. I'm very grateful to be sharing this day with you guys. You know, every day in my life is just an opportunity for me to go after my goals once again, as it's better to be one step closer to your goals than being stagnant at one place. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm just going to carry you guys along with how my day is going to look, and stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned and enjoy the video. If you're new to the channel, my name is Evans and I'm a forex trader here in Ghana, and I've been documenting my journey here on YouTube, showing you guys my ups and downs in this forex industry and how I'm going ahead to tackle some issues of my life as well. So if you're interested in content like this, kindly hit the like button of this video and then subscribe to the channel below, and don't forget to turn on post notification so that every time I upload new content you will get notified. So let's get on to the video, guys.
So guys, this on GBPJPY on the 15 minutes, you can see that I'm actually in a drawdown. So let me show you my analysis. Okay, so on GBPJPY you can see that the trend has been, or we've been in a downtrend for a very long time. After this uptrend has been broken, price has actually been giving us higher highs, lower lows, and then lower highs. And upon reaching this level, price created a double top formation around this level and also gave us a tap on the trend line. Then we started having this drop. So I woke up this morning and then I saw that price has actually broken below a 1 hour support level, which will now be turning to resistance. So price was actually failing to break above this resistance zone. I saw that, and then I saw this kind of a chart pattern. So when I saw this, I marked it out and I was waiting for price to break it on the 15 minutes. So price broke below the chart pattern, and I was expecting a pullback and a retest on this rectangle zone here, which will also be a retest on the trend line. So I actually had a retest, but I saw a zone, a supply zone at the top here, so I marked it out and then I placed my orders in this zone. So price actually came and they triggered my order, and now price is actually going against me. What I actually failed to do is I didn't move further to the 1 hour to see what price has actually done. You can see that all this move on the 15 minutes, all this move to the downside on the 15 minutes was just a weak rejection, and now price is actually buying. But I'm just going to be tracking my analysis and holding this trade. After I have my stop loss at the top here, so whatever happens, I'm just going to take it like that. That's it, guys. So guys, stop loss has been hit on this trade. Stop loss has been hit, so we just accept the result like that, and then we move to the next one.
So guys, I literally got stopped out on this setup. My stop loss was taken and I'm out of this trade now. So I'm just going to stay by the chart to see if I can get another opportunity to go again. But if I'm not able to get an opportunity today, then maybe I'll just hold on to tomorrow, then find a way to make my money back. You know, the market will always be here, so there's no need to be rushing things in the market. So that's it, guys. So before I end the video, guys, I want to there is this point I want to discuss with you guys, and I actually wrote down this point when I first got started with Forex. Back then, I've been doing a lot of research, watching videos, and I've been writing down so many things. So now over the weekend, I met a guy, and with his explanation, he's been trading for 4 years now. He actually started 2020, and with the conversation I had with him, I saw that this guy is literally struggling from this point I want to share with you guys. And I mean, someone out there can also learn from this and find a way to solve this issue. So it's actually the first point among 10, and the title is 10 mistakes to avoid. So I'm just going to be dealing with this one in particular. It's actually the first one, and it says trying to learn everything there is to know about every aspect of the market. And it continues to explain that you would need to unlearn 90% of it late to make real progress. And it says instead focus on the key principles that drive market movement and price action. So guys, this is very simple, and you know, I'm not here to say that I'm the perfect guy, or my strategy is better than someone's own, you know. But what this guy has been doing is he literally wants to learn everything. Like he knows how to use trend lines, he knows how to use support and resistance, he knows how to use fair value gap, like he knows how to trade ICT, all the concepts, he knows how to use all of them. And he keeps saying that he's been spending a lot of hours locking himself in the room, trying to watch videos, learn. Like he's been trying to crack this thing. He's been spending a lot of time alone trying to crack this thing, and you already know how to use a strategy. Why don't you focus on it? Just focus on this one strategy, and then man, make real progress with this. But this guy, he just keep jumping from. I didn't see him trade, but with the analysis he showed me, he analyzed the chart in front of me, and the strategy he's currently using actually is saying the same thing as mine. But I'm using my trend line strategy, the one that I've been showing you guys. So I showed him that this is what I do. He said, "Oh, he knows how to use this, but man, he just wants to find something. He doesn't want to focus on this. So he's actually trying to know something about the one he's actually using now. So he knows how to use fair value gap. He knows how to use this one that they've been saying, that discount price and premium price. He knows almost everything about all the strategies that I know about, but he's still struggling in this game. So I just came here to tell you guys that if you are actually getting started with Forex, or you are already in Forex and you are already a trader, and you kind of suffering from this kind of a thing, like you find yourself struggling or drifting around in the Forex industry, you should just pick one strategy and just focus on building this strategy. You know, as time goes on, you find some errors in the strategy that you've learned, and you yourself will discover a way to deal with it. It's not that someone is going to teach you from scratch. You have to learn the basics, but when you start making progress, you have to adjust certain things about it, and that's what I think. I'm not trying to say that I'm the perfect guy or I don't have errors in my strategy, but when someone is doing a mistake and then you see, when you are doing a mistake, you don't know it. You yourself, you can't know, or it's very difficult to know that you are doing a mistake. But someone somewhere can see that you are doing a mistake, and when you find yourself in that position, or you see someone doing a mistake, the best advice you can give yourself, or the best thing you can do, is just to learn from that mistake and try not to repeat it. So guys, that's it for today. And if you find value in this content, kindly hit the like button on this video, and Subscribe to the channel below if you look forward for more of this kind of content, and don't forget to turn on post notifications so that every time I drop a new video you get notified. So that's all I'll be doing for today. See you in the next one. Peace and love. I'm out.